everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Tribute. With the beautiful blue exterior and black interior, this is a very nice little resto mod vehicle with the nice little 302 under the hood. Inside you can see they upgraded the cluster, which is very more accurate, very nice. Another cool feature is they added the vintage AC to make it nice and cool, especially here in the summertime in Florida. You need AC, otherwise you're going to sweat to death. Got a modernized stereo system by Pioneer. Even got the old-fashioned Hurst shifter on the floor. I meant to say B&M, but pretty much it's Hurst. Other than that, going up the road, she drives pretty smooth. Got the aftermarket wooden wheel there. See, it drives very straight. As for our brakes are very good too. And as you can see, the car didn't stall out. Has the foldable down back seat. Also has the back, I want to say cover on the back window, which I thought was a cool idea. So, AKA no cops or any special people want to see who's driving behind your vehicle. But other than that, she's a fine, clean little ride. Other than now, we're going to get her turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.